Today po, hindi lang po natin sineselebrate yung another year na nadagdag kay Daddy. Isa-celebrate din natin lahat ng shared memories, yung love and joy na na-bring ni Daddy sa ating lahat kasi all of us are touched by him.
We gotta go, don't wanna be stranded. We got the world waiting. Yeah, you know, you'll never have to worry. I'll keep you close to me. Never mind all the things that try to shake us down. I know we tripped and fell. It's time to get back up now.
I just want to thank you and kayo ni Mami for loving us. Tapos sa paggabay sa amin kung naiiyak ako sa lahat. Dahil kasi parang hindi namin mararating kung ano kami ngayon. Dahil kayo nawapit Daddy.
Kung ano man kami ngayon, kung ano man yung napoprovide namin sa family namin, hindi namin yon makukuha kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. So, for that, Daddy, thank you very much po.
Daddy, sana alam niyo po na alam namin lahat ng sakripisyo niyo po sa aming tatlo. Sobra pong nagpapasalamat kami. Kung ano po ang nakamit namin pong tatlo ngayon, para po sa inyo ito. Hanggang po 80, 90, 100 pa po kayo, ibabalik po namin. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to live. Got a life to live together. Together.
Sa tindi ng kahirapan that time, talaga sa tulong din po niya, nakatapos lahat kami. Bubuhay lang po ang aking mga magulang, matutuwa sila ngayong gabing ito.
Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to live. Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to live together. Together.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the heaven. Yeah. We are warriors, we rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on like a chugging train.
To the best father-in-law and father in the whole wide world, I wish you a very 70th incredible birthday, Daddy. Sana makasama ka namin ng mahaba pang panahon. We love you.
Pulling on the reins when we find our home again. So swinging, yeah. So swinging. So swinging, yeah. So swinging. So swinging, yeah. So swinging. So swinging, yeah. So swinging.
Siya nabanggit nila nga ako na siya ay kapitan ng barko. Pero pag dumarating sila sa amin, ako ang admiral. Kaya, at saka ako ang spokesperson sa bahay. Kaya alam niyo na siguro kung sino ang nasusunod. Basta iniaano ko lang o sana yan kami pareho ng mahabang buhay. At ang piniwis ko lang sa asawa ko, sana'y naging maligaya siya sa aking piling. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo at di ko po ito malilimutan. Maraming pong salamat.
So sweet in the